Hello guys, my name is Raja Sahu and today I'm going to share with you my CSS project properties and what I can learn in CSS and that I make a project. So in first I make project. It is my project name is student profile portal, and I make the project because I want to learn about CSS. That's why I'm using practical using, and then I can understand about that. So we can start. So first we can go in our VS Code. Then we can go our home. Where is our home page? It's index. So this is my CSS code, and this is my HTML. So first we can I can show you how my project will see without CSS. So this is my page. Uh, when I did comment out my CSS link, then they look like simple and very easy. First, I can explain you about how why we can use CSS. Just because we want to make our web page style and uh, beautiful. That's why we can use. Without CSS, you can see my project. What can see? What is this? Uh, Now you can see with CSS my project how you can see this is then you can go with project that is different without CSS and CSS with CSS. So I'm starting to explain you about my uh, properties, CSS properties. So first one is body. What is body? We can take body just because we want. I can take body in selector just because I want to do font family and margin and background. I want to apply style in body into a whole body, whole web page. That's why I'm using body. It is a this is a we call this a selector. When we use selector, then we any word of selector, then we can put our CSS value, then they can working on it. So first fonts family. Family means uh, font family means style of fonts. Many types of styles मतलब mean many types of fonts. Then we can choose anything just because I am taking Arial. It is one font style. Then margin. Margin. What is margin? When we take margin, they can apply space. So we can uh, we I can 1 to 0 space, that's why I'm using 0. Then this is background linear gradient. Background mean to how look background like it's me. It's the main object. Then my pitch back part is background. So that also using like a web page, what we can write. It's our object. Then uh, our background is the back part. So I can take linear gradient. Linear gradient means uh, uh, it's one process. Linear gradient. Gradient means mixture. I can take two colors. It's one and two. They can mix up through line. Sorry, right to left. Mean to like they can starting to write, then slowly it's mixing. You can see like this is, then this is our closer. And header, what is header? Header mean to when we want to you know about header. I take selector header just because I want to apply style and header. So this is also background. So I am taking background color, then padding. I give it padding of 50 pixels. When I give padding, first you can see this is a page. It's header. And then in 52, I did I will do 100. So what happened here? This is what it's meant to. This box spaces increase. Don't it look like very uh, useless? That's why we can take only 10. No, 10. Then we can see. And 10 also very dull. Can we take 5? Yes, it's cool. Then text alignment mean to, when we want to text right, left, center, then we can use text align. I am taking center. Then this is in navigation. That is navigation, and A is anchor tag. We can also take two selector one time in one time. So color into text color. Then I'm taking text color white. Then margin. Margin. I'm also explain you margin into box giving margin and space inside side of box. They can give space. Text decoration. Text decoration mean to none. Mean to we can use anchor tag also. It's navigation. So just it is a link. When I don't put none text decoration none, they can see me underline just because I'm using none. then they not see. And font size. We want to font size just so I did 16. I take 60 pixels and this increase in their size. And navigation and hover. Hover effect is when you go to touch the button and text anything. The effect are like a light, LED light. You can go then that text or element or anything they can lighting on. And also I'm given the text decoration. No, this is nothing. Form. I'm also in HTML. I added form for a search bar just because margin top into top margin. I when which uh, how what we take what we want to space in margin top margin just because I'm using 50 pixels for a form. It is a selected input for input I'm using a padding input type search into search option search button padding 8 pixel width 60% and border radius 60 pixel border 1 pixel solid and color and border color I take it solid light blue then button padding 8 pixel 50 pixel width and height then background color I'm taking blue just because our project theme is blue so I'm only take blue and white colors and border border none I don't want that's why I'm none I did none and border radius I did 60 pixel it used to create like circle rounded this and cursor pointer when we take our cursor for that and they can like that uh, finger symbol and button over. They also when we can go to button then also our is stable and looking like light. Heading text align center color text align heading in heading one I am taking text align in center and color is blue and margin is top margin is 30 pixel. That is my project. So you can see again in my project. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching me and thank you for understanding me.